Yo, Grizzly Gang, it is, what time is it right now? Hold on real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the time. It is it's 7:02. So about to get ready to head to Cars and Coffee. But my neighbor's gonna hate me. It's Sunday. It's Sunday and I'm about to do a cold start. So I'm about to show y'all right now. So, Cars and Coffee. Here we go. First we gotta stop. I definitely gotta get something to eat. Ooh, got the lights going, man. They got blue right now. What's about to change too? I'll show y'all in a few. So I think it's gonna. I got on that little color, little pattern thing. Of course, I got it in the back too. Now it's like a whitish. It just changed like that. So about to go to Cars and Coffee. No, first gotta eat. Just wipe her down a little bit, make sure I'm gonna fill her up. I know she got gas, but I'm gonna fill her up anyway. Yeah, and head to Cars and Coffee, man. Let's do it. Hey, look what I run into. Come on, man. Good old Martin Red Hemi, man. I'm cruising today, bro. I'm eating. What's up, man? Alright, y'all, good morning. So I'm not a morning person, but I'm here. I'm drinking coffee, man. What am I doing, man? I'm drinking coffee. But we got the crew here and we got some other people just to start off with everything. Yeah, wear your mask, everybody. But look at the lineup. Of course it's a 300, but Lord, look at that Charger. That's an RT giant right there. Scatty. Ooh, looking good. What's up? Oh, what's up, man? Going on, I got coffee for the first time, man. I don't get no coffee. Oh! Ooh.
It's all stock.
Yeah, whatever. Goodness. Oh my god. I think I was following this. This is why, buddy. Where you at? Yeah. What's up, man? How you doing? I was like, I know I've seen this thing before. God.
You didn't see it with all that on it.
No, not at all. It looks totally different. Of course, you got, Martin Red Hemi right there. But Lord, look at that. This is neat. I love it, man. Ooh, a lot of 300 on bags though. That's just fresh. I mess with that. So that's how my car would look now. I think it look good. Y'all tell me. Y'all see the whole lineup? I recorded and y'all, I ain't get none of it. Like, I'm so mad right now. I'm so cold right now. Yo, they walking with this dog. Woo. I like that Mustang too. That's just fine. I'm done. I'm so cold.
Hey, best friend. Oh, hey, hold on. You didn't even know I was coming.
What's up with you, man?
Even the seagulls.
That looks like a big old bug. So it's another. I'm just recording a bunch of stuff, so y'all just gonna see what I gotta do. I'm gonna just keep on recording, and I'm gonna figure out how to edit all this stuff, get it done. But this ain't nice though. That's just real nice. I wish it was the TRX, but I don't know. It ain't the TRX. I gotta get that. So we got the RTs, got that, got everything. And we got some Hellcats coming on right there. You see that purple thing? That purple jacket is me. You see I got the gloves, so I gotta do all that. I gotta do the gloves. But let me show you. Oh, it's Hellcat season. Oh, that jacket's sweet too. Got the pink. Oh, that's not even a Hellcat. That's a Scatty. But the Scatty is looking mean. I see you. And then we got the wide body things coming over here. Yes, sir. Wide body. What's that, dude? That blue. whatever it was, Octane Blue, FA Blue, with this, blah, 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 blah. All right, all that. Look at that. That's me too. I definitely mess with that. I'm gonna get the whole lineup. Excuse me, y'all. What's up with y'all? Excuse me, not much. Yeah, we got the whole lineup, bro. 345, that. Of course, you know, we got my guy right there. And we got all of that over there. Man, these gloves ain't doing no justice in my hands. It's cold as mud. Man, look at the Hellcat, though. And it's the new color, too. This the new color, John. And he already got it, the stuff inside doing this thing. Yeah, I must have this. Ooh. Is this y'all's? Who's one of y'all's? No, his. Ooh, this is nice, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
I like what you did to it. You already hooked the chain up to it.
Yeah, I'm just starting.
Yeah, you weren't playing around, right? He was like, let me go ahead and get it done.
Yeah, trying to get it done. I'm gonna take the supercharger off and have that color match to the car too.
I feel you.
But I need to find a gasket first because I'm gonna tear it when I take it off.
Okay. Yeah, this one is mean.
And then my rear diffuser is coming in.
You got a rear diffuser?
Yeah, that should be in by the end of next week.
Nice. And then match with the purple one and stuff. This is mean. So the color is way better in person, if y'all understand. Y'all know y'all got the Mopar J. Oh yeah, I think I got my peoples over there. I'm gonna go talk to them real quick. Ooh. I'm gonna get that joint later. But look, what's up with you, dude? Y'all wanna hit the start up?
Yeah, man.
Okay, we gonna hit the start up, man.
What my man was telling you about.
Hey, what's up, dude? How you doing?
Good, man. You?
Good. Yeah, so I'm gonna start up real quick, man. I was flying when I got here, so. Whew. Alright, that's just for y'all. That's just for y'all, man. I ain't gonna be doing that all the time.
Hey, you said the intake does make a difference?
Oh yeah, make a hell of a difference, man. Yeah, you gonna hear it breathe more. It just sucks in the air because it wasn't that loud until I put the intake on it. It was a little bit loud, but now it just like crackles.
Yeah,
it just go hard.
Did you delete your mufflers?
Yeah, everything's deleted. Yeah, all I have is the catalytic converters on it.
Yeah, that's
and then past that, nothing.
You deleted
it's just straight.
I just cut my mufflers.
Okay.
Yeah, I just cut to make it look.
And you got the 5.7?
No, I got the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's what's up, man.
Like to me, it's just like I like the little simple stuff.
I feel you, bro.
Yeah, like I'll probably do the intake. I like that joint.
Okay.
I like the covers for the caliper though.
Thanks, bro. Yeah. So this is temporary. I'm supposed to get the 4 pistons. So yeah, that should be coming in really soon. Yeah. I can't wait till I get it. I can't, man. It's gonna just change the look, and then it's gonna get lowered, all that stuff, man.
I thought about
I'm gonna go crazy with this tank. Yeah.
Does it make a difference?
Wait, when they lower it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna handle a little different because right now, you know, the 300 feel like a boat.
Yeah,
it's heavy, and when you try to make a turn, you feel that tank move with you. Yeah, you feel it move with you. So when you get a little bit lower, I guess it like holds it just a little bit, but then you gotta get like the custom sway bars and stuff like that. Yeah, man. But that joint right here is slam.
Yeah,
he slammed that mug.
Like shit.
That joint is beautiful. Yeah.
There's too many powers for all that. Yeah.
Definitely, bro. Y'all got IG or anything?
Yeah.
Y'all want to shout out your IG, man? Y'all want to shout it out? Y'all want to keep it out there?
Shout out No Sleep Team, man.
No Sleep Team, okay.
Shout out H_Spellman, man.
Okay. I'm going to get y'all IG and everything on there. Okay. Yeah, hit me up.
Man, great event, man.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, just every time we do like a meet, I'm gonna like post it so y'all can welcome to come, man.
Yeah.
Or y'all want to join the crew if y'all want to, man. Y'all Mopar gang, so hey, y'all here. All right, so this is the 2021 Durango. It's the fully loaded. It got the 6-piston brakes. It's black. Yeah. They want 60,000 for that thing. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's too high. You need to drop that a little lower, you know, but it's cool though. I like it. What is it? I think you're gonna turn right or you gonna go straight? What are you gonna do?